Hi, and welcome back to For the Love of Organizing. I'm Laura, and in today's video, I'm going to share our budget-friendly laundry room makeover. Now here's the before, where you can see the room is very bland and lacks personality and color. And the after, which I think is a definite improvement. I genuinely look forward to doing laundry now just so I can visit the space, so it's a win for our family. Now let me walk you through the transformation. As you probably know, one of the easiest ways to change the look of a room is through paint, and we went with a charcoal gray, which was a little intimidating, but I think it worked out well. I will list the color in the description bar. We removed the generic wire shelving as well. It just really wasn't practical. I'm 5'2", and I also knew we'd be bringing in another storage solution. That said, we may add floating shelving or other storage to that wall down the road, but we just don't need it right now. A little unconventional, but I brought in this shelf, which was thrifted. As you can see, it was kind of an oaky color, but I gave it a few coats of soft white chalk paint, which turned out to be a really nice contrast with the gray on the walls. Now it was time to stock the shelves with practical laundry things in a way that was pretty. These canisters were a previous DIY that I wasn't using at the time in our kitchen. Here's the before. I cleaned them out, and you'll notice another chalk paint transformation. That white, turquoise, and gray, it's just my go-to color combo for sure. And I used the canisters for powder detergent, wool dryer balls, and plastic letters for a letterboard sign you'll see in a little while. A Pinterest idea that I decided to go for was using a glass pitcher for laundry detergent. Now this one was under $10 at Goodwill, but you can find these almost anywhere. Walmart, Target, Bed Bath & Beyond with a coupon, etc. I filled it with laundry detergent, and I also brought in this plant and a Target lamp for the top shelf. This cute sign was a gift from my mom, and I also brought in a thrifted cookie jar and a faux succulent for the next shelf. I have laundry pods here, which works well for our family. Again, we don't have small children. Otherwise, you'd want to reimagine this shelf setup and certainly keep the laundry pods and perhaps other things out of reach. Now on the bottom shelf, I have a basket with fabric softener, stain remover, and bleach. Again, that works for our family, but you may want to keep those items out of reach. I also have a decorative thrifted pitcher and some paper towels. Now the gray and white runner was under $20 from Walmart, and I think it should hold up because we don't get much foot traffic in this space, and it was just the right size. Moving on to wall decor, I already had this letterboard sign. I purchased it with a coupon from Joann Crafts not too long ago, and I just added this cute saying that I found on Pinterest and went with turquoise letters. Next, I made these two hand-painted signs for the walls to keep things budget-friendly and add a personal touch. We already had the wood from other projects, and we just added hardware on the back. I then whitewashed the wood and added, of course, turquoise and gray, just really quickly with my fingers. Nothing too elaborate, but just to add some dimension and give them a little bit of a distressed look. I then hand lettered with a pencil, and I worked very carefully to hand paint over the pencil. I've sped it up here. And once that was dry, I outlined the lettering with a black Sharpie for definition. This did make a pretty big difference, and it helped me to kind of clean up the lettering a bit. Of course, the signs aren't perfect, but the room isn't that serious, and I think they add a little something. been a few weeks since I finished the room. And in case you're wondering, the plant is still doing well. Here's one final look at the before and after. And I'd love to hear in the comments below what your favorite part of this updated laundry room is. So please let me know. I appreciate you so much. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will link to my social media below, and I hope you'll consider subscribing.